What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the How Enshrinement Auto. So, let's go. What is going on here? Let's go live. We are live at 8:18. It is, well, 6:18. I guess my computer's still screwed up from when when I was in Boston a couple days ago. So, I guess it's on Eastern time, but 18 there, 18 there. So let's go grab that list. We got Kyle on top, Mr. Witter, and Mr. James Paul on the bottom. All 100 names. We will go and get a fresh list. Kyle on top, James on the bottom. No spaces in between. Guys, we're going to go 3 times. Good luck. 1. Adam. 2. Uh-oh. Adam's either going to be laughing or he's going to be pissed. Oops. Meant to delete that. That's 819. 619, 819, same thing. Guys, third and final time. Good luck, everybody. Nails. 14. Spot number 14. 3 times. Adam, I know you know where I live, so don't kill me, please. There's the third timestamp. That was in at 8:20. 8:20. Guys, there you have it. Nils. 3 times. There you go.